Hi everyone, this is Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic and Massage in Lacey, Olympia, Washington area. And the title today is, what do you do when your chiropractor's not available for treatment? So 3 things that you can do to help reduce or eliminate some of the pain that you're feeling in your back or your neck are, number 1, a stretching routine. I want you to implement a very gentle stretching regimen targeting, the area or the muscles that have, or to alleviate the tension and improve mobility or flexibility by stretching. And you know how it feels like, almost like a good hurt. So focus on those movements, especially of the spine, that helps stretch the spine, elongate it, and release the tight muscles. Second thing, hot and cold therapy. Many times I recommend ice, and the simple saying that we have in the office is, when in doubt, ice it out. Acute injury, after treatment, most of the times those can be a great way to reduce the painful area by bringing in fresh blood to the area and reducing inflammation. So if you're not too keen on doing ice or cold therapy, here's a simple thing. Alternate between hot and cold. Hot packs, which you can have a moist hot pack, hot tub, hot shower, and cold compresses to the painful area. Alternate those 2. Heat relaxes things, cold reduces inflammation and numbs the area, and this provides the relief. Third thing, I'm not a big proponent for taking any kind of medications unless needed or taking too much. And that's where I really want to lean is that I hear how much people end up taking, so that's why I'm not, is over-the-counter pain relief medicines. And I would reach first towards some of the homeopathic or topicals that you can use that are your own preference in that, whether it's BioFreeze or CBD, or some type of topical pain relief. I know some people recommend the ibuprofen, acetaminophen to manage the discomfort. But the choice is yours on that. It's not going to address the problem, and any long-term use has effects on the organ systems. So use at your own risk. So anyways, I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic and Massage. I hope this information was helpful. What to do when your chiropractor is not available.